Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SGM Creations Tutorials, Travels and Lifestyle. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new project. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Today's video is about an autumn home decoration. This is a recycled empty bottles of beer, and this is decorated with autumn leaves. The autumn leaves is painted with acrylic golden color and attached with a glue. Fix it here. And this one is an ornaments, artificial ornaments covered on the top of the bottle to hide the bottle. And this is also this is an autumn leaves, real dried autumn leaves. And this one is a fine cones flower type retouched with a golden acrylic paint in order to look beautiful. And look at this. And the base is a chopping board served as a support for the bottle in order the bottle will stand. And decorated here the waist pine cones look. And I attach here a battery operated light in order to add beauty of the home decoration. So guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, give a comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So I hope you can do it yourself, a home decoration for the autumn season. You can create your own design. This is just an example. So you can collect autumn leaves